Today I'm making shimmer spray out of solid eyeshadow on
Hey, Maaa!
I made a previous video on making shimmer spray out of powdered eyeshadow, but this is how you make it out of solid. It's pretty simple. If you have a tongue depressor, you can use that to gently pop the powder out. Scrape it if you can't pop it out the full powder. Usually it's soft, especially the type that you need, which is mica powder. It's usually going to be softer, so gently put it into a cup like this. I usually do this on a plastic mat because if you do spill any as you're doing it, you can pick up the whole mat and pour it into the cup. Easy peasy. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit the like button or share the video and subscribe for more weekly videos, and go in the comment section and tell us what types of videos you would like to see on Hey Maaa. After you've gotten all of the powders into the cups, just use your tongue depressor to chop them up and stir it until you have a fine powder. It shouldn't be that difficult to break it up. Just break it up so you don't have chunks later on in your spray. This last eyeshadow was called Graphite Frost, I believe, and it was black with kind of white shimmer in it, black shimmer with white shimmer in it. And when I combine these, of course, it combined to a gray color, but it's pretty neat because it is sort of a gunmetal gray. However, the black shimmer, or the black eyeshadow, was almost like soot to clean up. So I actually used alcohol to clean up the eyeshadow that spilled. So here I'm pouring the powder that I made into the different bottles that I'm going to use. The next step is adding alcohol and water, distilled water, in 50-50 increments. Don't fill it all the way to the top because you're going to need room to shake the sprayer, but you're putting basically a half a teaspoon of the eyeshadow is what I'm estimating we got. About a teaspoon of the black one, and then you're going to add a half a teaspoon of white glue to this, so leave room for that at the top of your bottle as well. For the black one I did use a larger bottle. And now I'm adding the half teaspoon of white glue. I'll tell you, like I did in the last video, resist the urge to put more glue into the bottle. It is the binder that will help it stick to the page. However, if you put too much, it's not going to spray properly. Here I'm just adding the rest of the distilled water. Your ratio of alcohol to water is 50-50. That's the liquid portion. Look at the magic. That's the magic right there. Check out that shimmer. This is the Lotus collection by LA Works. I just got it from the dollar store. Now Sapphire, my birthstone. The glue started to settle. I hate when the glue starts settling like this. You just have to shake harder to get it all broken up so it doesn't clog up your tubes. The final step for me is I like to label all of the shimmer sprays that I make. So I bust out my trusty Dymo label maker and make sure everything is properly labeled. And with that, the sprays should be done. Time to spray them and see what we have created. Yep. Nice. Okay.
worth it. So those are the colors that we did today. And that's like the Lotus collection. Okay? Thank you.
Hopefully we were able to save you money with this DIY of how to make your own shimmer spray. If you are inspired by our crafts, please hit the like button. And if our DIYs motivate you to do it yourself, please consider subscribing to Hey Maaa. Thanks for staying until the end. Until next time, bye.